I am starting out by showing you guys how I prepped my eyelids before I actually did the eyeshadow look, because I had tried to walk through with telling you guys, but that wasn't gonna work. But anywho, I started out by prepping my eyelids with a concealer, a lighter concealer, pretty much the same concealer I used to underline my eyebrow. Then I am going to apply the Maybelline Fit Me in the color medium deep. I do this because it sets the concealer and it keeps my eyeshadow from creasing. So I apply this before I actually did that whole eyeshadow look. Alright, so now that I've done one side of my eye, I'm gonna attempt to do this one. I just wish I kind of would have made this look a little bit more like Clouds. Like, I don't know. I mean, I think I did alright for the first time, but I wish I could have made it look just a tiny bit more like Clouds. But I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a voiceover on this. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. Now I am going to go into my Huda Beauty nude palette with the color Teddy. This is kind of like a nudish, kind of nude pink kind of look. I'm just covering up the powder that I put on there to make it look a little more softer. And yeah, we're just gonna blend this out. Then the actual blue color that I'm using, I went into my Morphe palette. This is Hot Spot 35H palette, and the color I am using, I have to read it because I really don't know. It's singled out. I'm using the color, oh no, lies. It's called Wave Maker. I'm using the color Wave Maker. And I'm using it all over my lid. I don't understand Morphe palettes. The names are not like actually on the palette. It's on the plastic cover. And if you don't keep that plastic cover, girl, you don't know what shade you're using. Now I'm going in with Beachfront. This gives me more of like a shimmer type blue. The first one was just like a regular eyeshadow. This one is more of kind of like a shimmery look. So I wanted it to kind of be like a two-tone sky. You know, the sky isn't always like just one shade of blue. So I kind of wanted to mix it up a little bit and make it like kind of dark and then light. I'm also applying that a little bit in the crease, in the corner, the tear duct of my eye as well. So I'm just going back and forth with that color. Now time for the artwork. You can use any type of white eyeliner that you like to use. NYX is just the best for me. I like using it because I like how it goes on. As you can see with Clouds, you don't have to do like straight neat lines. I didn't want it to be like straight and neat. I wanted it to be like more of like a cloud type look. So I know, sorry about the angle, but believe me, I'm gonna come back and show you. This was a struggle, you guys. So as you can see, I did the first part of the cloud, and I'm just going in now with the shade. What shade is this? This is more of like a grayish shade. I believe this shade is called Sandals, but it's kind of like silverish a little bit. And then I went back to darken the clouds and to kind of like a little bit add more to it to bring it out. And right here I'm just adding like just putting stars and twinkles and stuff to bring it out a little bit more. You can pretty much add what you want to. You could just stay with the dots or you could just stay with the clouds, but I decided to put a little sparkle onto it. And now, as you can see, I'm adding more clouds because I was like, this is a little too bland, and that's how I did the cloud look. Now I'm going in just in the corners of it a little bit with a little more gray. I wanted to get a more precise brush, something a little bit smaller, so I can really deepen that gray, because it kind of looked like some of the blue just took over. Now I'm going into the tear duct with some more gray to just bring it down a little bit. And under my eyes, I'm sorry I did not film that part, but underneath my eyes I also used the same colors to bring like the blue down underneath my eyes as like a liner. And you'll see that part at the end. Now I decided to add a little glitter to it to kind of just make it more festive, I should say. So, okay, so now I'm using the Duo Glue, and you want to just use a little bit of this stuff. So this is my final look on doing the Clouds in the Sky eyeshadow look with the stars. This was my first time attempting this look, so I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it's easy for all of the festive activities that you guys plan on doing. And if you want to try to do your own makeup look, but something with the makeup that you already have, you can definitely do that. If you want something simple and not too dramatic, I don't think this is that dramatic, but yeah. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and also if you're not new, don't forget to hit the bell, so therefore you will be notified every time I upload a video. And once again, I hope you guys like this. Thank you for watching, and bye. See you in my next video.